We're talking about Feedforward and how it can be used to prevent unnecessary conflict and also to help to encourage helpful conflict. So using Feedforward can really help to avoid critique of past behaviour. Feedback is probably experienced in the past. If you receive feedback, you're much more inclined to possibly take it quite negatively because it is a judgment on past performance. So it builds that inner movie that really drives kind of a defensive engagement with the person giving the feedback. Feedforward, on the other hand, is much more positive, much more looking forward. It really encourages a lot more discussion with the person giving the feedforward. It encourages more curiosity. You're much more likely to engage with the person and discuss with them and ask them questions. It also helps to kind of build significant trust. You really believe that the person is interested and invested in trying to help you to improve. So you really feel like you're in it together. It's a shared kind of problem-solving kind of modes of thinking.
That's great. I mean, and on the converse of preventing unnecessary conflict, it actually Feedforward can help create positive, or I should say, helpful conflict. Because Feedforward's meant to improve maybe something that's negative from the standpoint of somebody in the workplace that you've had issues with that you want to improve, instead of, as he said, instead of focusing on the negative aspect and feedback, Feedforward is more of a positive way to open the lines of communication, encourages discussion, and it may not always be pleasant all the time. It may not be the best way to obviously interact with another, but that open collaboration and that open communication, which does create the trust, allows for conflict to be collaborative and working together to improve that in a positive way. As you can see, what we both talk about, there is an overlap between the sort of communication and collaboration aspect and the trust aspect, and that is pretty much a tie that can actually help eliminate conflict for the most part.